Troubleshoot Basics by Tech Training Solutions. Troubleshooting is a skill that must be developed with practice, knowledge, persistence, and the ability to find resources. There is a technique and style that you must be able to develop over time. The method is common sense aspect of doing things methodical. Observation in the process will greatly increase your success. Years of experience I'm going to give you will help you out. Let's talk about Troubleshooting 101 with Tech Training Solutions. Again, the method. 1, have all the vital information. Gather anything you can of the problem. Now, the problem's easy. Sure, you knock it out. But there's times where it's not. So grab all the vital information. Grab the prints. Grab the HMI, the operational team. Get someone to tell you what they're seeing. Get all the information. Know where to look if you need to look at control systems, PLCs, also power systems. Know where to look. Get all that vital information. Once you get the vital information, you need a clear direction by knowing the real issue. Once you know what the real issue, let's say the motor's not running, or you're counting the product too much, well, narrow it down to the root cause. That's the next step. Narrow it down. Once you have the vital information, a clear direction, step 1, 2, and now 3, narrow it down to the root cause. What's the problem? Well, with the vital information and a clear direction, and with help from operational, hopefully the HMI, it narrows down to the root cause. Once you're done narrowing down to the root cause, it might be a quick fix. Might quick it, knock it out. But there's times where it's not. You need the time to plan an action strategy. How are you fixing this? There's times where you cannot just fix it. A big paper mill, you can't shut that down. It's a plan. So once you plan it, and if you can plan it and shut it down today, well, repair the problem with that action plan. How are you doing it? That is what's going to help you with this plan. Are you going to replace a photo eye? Are you going to replace a motor? Are you able to change a valve? Well, you may not be, because sometimes that valve is on a big tank with 3 million gallons about to fall down you if you open that valve. You got to think about it. You have to plan and then do repair. Once you repair, the next step, it's vital. You don't leave. You stay. You verify. You make sure everything is good, because sometimes that problem bites you right back in the butt. You think you fixed it? Nah, it's coming. So stay there, verify, and if possible, compare with another machine. You go to the other machine, look at it, way it's running. If you can see the difference, that might help you troubleshoot. And the last step, this is the most crucial that most people don't do. Write down the problem. Write it down. If you write it down, you keep it somewhere where others can find it, share it, and that way for future reference, you have the information. These are the vital steps. These are the 7 steps that I would give you that I found by doing. This is what I've done in my career. What I recommend is follow these. Practice these. When you go to a problem, stop. Get the vital information. Then clear direction. Then root cause. Then come up with a strategy. Repair it if possible. Then verify before leaving, and then write it down. These are the steps of which I am telling you to do. This is Sean from Tech Training Solutions with a quick bit of how to be an awesome industrial electrician and maintenance technician.